There's a reason why world-class chefs find ingredients like this so exciting. These are Australian ingredients. This is lemon myrtle, and yes, it's used all the time now. I use it all the time. But recently I found a really exciting ingredient that I've just started using, and that's Kunzea. It's citrusy, it's got honey notes, it's savory, probably be used in sweets as well. So here's my new favorite recipe, which involves turkey that falls off the bone and it is covered in a delicious sauce. Let's have a look.